Hello and welcome once again to TEACHTOK English 10. This is Missy B and here we go. So our episode today is about determining the effect of textual aids on the understanding of the text. But first we have to understand what textual aids are. As the term suggests, textual aids are tools that aid readers in comprehending the text. Because they serve as a good summary of the entire text, textual aids make understanding a lot easier. Hashtag nonlinear texts, hashtag graphic organizers. For example, we have an executive order number 24 series of 2020 from a Facebook page. So we have the text there and the picture on illustration that represents what the text is about. So by just looking at the picture, we can see that a personnel from this establishment just checks the temperature of the customer and after that it's okay. So that's basically the message of the text. So let's discuss each further. So the first one is the illustration. Examples are any photo, image, cartoon, sketch, caricature, and the like. So this is hashtag visual interpretation, hashtag summary of the text. The second one is flowchart, hashtag steps, hashtag processes, and hashtag arrows. Examples, scientific method, voter's ID registration, and the picture here represents the water cycle. So let's go back to the third hashtag. So the arrows direction or the direction of the arrows suggest the flow of the process from step 1, step 2 until the step 3. The third one is called concept map. So concept equals idea. So what happens in a concept map? Hashtag there are branches, hashtag when you're going to discuss types, hashtag lineage, hashtag classification, or when an idea can be classified into different categories. Hashtag an example is tree diagram, as well as the types of poetry, senior high school tracks, and branches of science. So in here, the example, the illustration here is we have an idea that can be classified into 3 different categories and each has its ideas under it. The fourth one is called Venn diagram. So examples are practices in public and private schools, traits of character A, B, and C. Basically, the Venn diagram is composed of 2 circles, but it can also have 3 circles just like in this picture. So what are these for? They are for hashtag compare contrast, hashtag pointing out the similarities and differences. So what are in this? In here, you are going to point out, record the differences. How does this character differ from this one and this one? Okay, so you will put here the differences. Then, within these spaces created by the overlapping circles, you will write the similarities between or among these characters. Or any set of ideas or subjects being compared and contrasted. So that is a Venn diagram. How about a timeline? So when you are hashtag sequencing, hashtag reporting milestones, hashtag dates, examples, results, journey to Spain, release dates of Blackpink songs, or history of apps, you need a timeline just like this one. So this one is an illustration of the history of apps. Dating from 2002 to 2010, from the development of LinkedIn to Pinterest. So watch the next video for the part 2 of this episode. So again, this is TEACHTOK English 10 and see you on the next one.